So I'm here in Tennessee at my Twin Brothers Amish community where they accept the former Amish much better than where I come from, where I grew up at in Kenton, Ohio. I'm going to ask my twin brothers some questions here. So, hey, brother, how many cattle you have out here? 31 of them? What do you do with all of these cattle, brother? Okay. How many acres you got out here?
74.
Do they usually, when they hear you mooing like that, is that what brings them up here?